Battery Saver is a feature on Android that reduces battery usage by limiting some features and performance. This can be a great way to prolong battery life when you're running low on power. To enable Battery Saver on your Pixel 8, follow these steps. Open the Settings app and then tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Saver and tap the switch next to Use Battery Saver to enable it. Just by enabling this feature, there will already be a significant improvement to your phone's battery life. However, if you want to make it even last longer, you should select the Extreme Battery Saver feature and tweak its settings to maximize its effects. Now tap on the X for each app to remove them from the list of exempted apps, which means that when the Battery Saver is on, the apps you remove from the list won't work. And when you go to the Apps drawer, you'll find that their icons are grayed out. It goes without saying that these apps can't send you notifications as well until such time the Battery Saver is disabled. Going back to the Battery Saver screen, tap Schedule and Reminders. We suggest that you enable the switch next to Turn On based on battery level and set it to 40%. It means the feature will automatically kick in once the battery is down to that level. We also recommend enabling Adaptive Battery to protect your battery in the long run. So when you're in a situation where you need to save battery, always think of the Pixel 8's Battery Saver feature. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.